Mandala Analytics dashboard shows data insights from all the mentions gathered in your campaign. But if you want to look at those mentions individually, view and manage details such as how the mention is defined in the system, exclude certain sets of data and search for others, then the Mentions console allows you to do this and more. The Mentions console lets you view every single mention in your campaign. Thankfully, there are lots of functions that let you easily sort the mentions to find what you're looking for. You can view mentions by platform by clicking the tabs. You can also see the number of mentions per platform. At the top, you can enter keywords in the search bar to filter mentions with that keyword. This search function includes OR, and exclude options. Select exclude and you will see all mentions excluding those with the chosen keyword. Select and to see only mentions containing all of the keywords you enter. Select OR to see the mentions containing any one of the keywords you enter. There is a time frame filter to see the mentions from a specific day or any time period you select. Open Advanced Filters to see a bunch more ways to filter the mentions, including the type of mention, the channel, your tag groups, and lots more. You can set up these advanced filter settings and then save them. Give the filter a name and it will be saved under Load Filters. Click Search and you'll now see all the filtered mentions. Ticking the little box over on the left will bring up some more actions which can be applied to multiple mentions at the same time by selecting them. And you can automatically tag every mention that comes in under your set filters by clicking Save as Tag and selecting a tag. Click the small arrows to change the order that mentions are displayed in, so you could go from highest engagement to lowest, for example. On each of the mentions, there are a bunch of actions you can take. Click the eyeball to see the channel on the actual platform, like a Facebook page, for example. Click to add the channel to your analytics channels. Save and export every mention from this channel. Add the channel to your channel library. Switch to exclude and all the mentions from this channel will not be shown. Over on the mention, you can add a tag here or a note which will show up here on the Mentions console. The eyeball will take you to this original post. Define mention lets you edit some of the AI assigned particulars for this mention, and you can add tags here as well. Click Keep and the mention will be kept over here in Keeps, where you can also manage your tags and tag groups.